Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Ashok Joshi. Welcome to AJ Media YouTube channel. In this video, we will be learning about date command in detail. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you like this video, share it with your friends so that others might get some benefit. Subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon so that you will never miss any update. Now let's start with the video. So what are we going to cover in this video? We are covering date command. So what is date command? So date command is basically used in Linux to display the system date and time. Okay. Also you can make use of some format specifiers, which I will be going through in detail in this video. So make sure you watch the video till the end and let's get started. How do you write date command? It's very simple. Let me show you the syntax. So basically you will write date and here you can pass options, and after then if you want you can also write format specifiers here. Okay, so this is the standard or universal format how you can write date command. Let me erase these things. Now at the very first, if you write date and hit enter, it will show you the system date and time, right? Today it is February 6th, it's Sunday, and this is the time and the time zone as well. Also you will get the year. Cool. So depending upon the region, it will pick up the time zone. I am living in India, so it is IST, Indian Standard Time. If you want to display in UTC, you have an option which is -u, date space -u. Hit enter, you will get it in UTC, and this is the time currently, and you see Sunday, February 6th and 2022. I hope you get this thing. Now let me show you something which is called as -date. Okay, so why do we use this thing? Basically what you do is you pass the values in the form of string. So this is how the format looks like, -date equal to, and in the double quotes what you can do is you can pass the string values. So what can be these string values? Let me show you. So you can pass a date, let's say 0 to 14/2022. Hit enter, you will get February 14 IST 2022 and it is Monday. How do you verify whether it is Monday? So you can use cal enter, 14 is Monday and it is shown perfectly fine here. So that's how you can use this -date and give the string values here. Now the string values can vary. There are so many other types of string that you can pass here. Let's go one by one. Now let me show you how you can pass the full name of the month. What do I mean by that? So here you can see date -date equal to, if you want to pass February, let's say as FEB, and after then you can give the date. So I can give today's date 6, and you can also give the year. It will show you today's date. You can also give 7, it will give you 7, that is tomorrow, right? And now you can also give this February, here are, and it will give you the same output. So that's different way how you can pass it. Okay, here you can pass 2023 as well, so no need to worry about it. Any year will work here, whether it is past or future, it will work. Now let's see some more examples in strings. Let's say I want to see 2 years ago's date. How can I do it? Now here what I can do is I can just write 2 years ago on the same date. I want to see the output. Hit enter, you will get it. So it was Thursday, February 6th, and the time zone 2020. Cool. Well, you can also check for 5 seconds ago, if not years. So what you can do here is you can just write 5 seconds. You will get the output, correct? Now you can also get it for 10 minutes. You will get it. Okay, just check the time here, the differences that you can see. right? You can also get it for yesterday. And yesterday it was Saturday. You can also get it for tomorrow. And tomorrow it is Monday, February 7th. Now you can also get it for 10 days ago, 20 days ago, like that. How can you do it? 10 days ago, hit enter, you will get it. January 27th, it was January month. So 10 days ago. Let's say I want to see the date of next Saturday. What I can do is I can just pass here next Saturday, hit enter, you will get it. Saturday, February 12th, and this is always 0. Well, you can custom format this thing as well. There is no worry. So I will show you how you can do it. You can write 12, you can write 45, you can write 15, hit enter. You see, by default it will show you 000, and you can also custom format it like this. Cool. Okay, so if you want to see after 2 days the date, how can you do it? So let's say you want to see the date and time after 2 days. So what you can do here is you can just write, let me erase this thing, just write here 2 space day, hit enter, and it will be Tuesday because today it is Sunday. So if you want to see the date after 1 year, what you can do is you can just write here 1 space year, hit enter, and you will get 2023, and it will be Monday, February 6th, and the time. Okay, let me clear the screen, hit Ctrl+L. All right, so we can make use of date command to display the last modification that was done to a particular file. Now what I want to say here is, if I do ls or list, so I can see there are 3 files here, sample.txt, date, and 1.txt. Let's pick up 1.txt here. So if I want to see when it was modified previously, so I will use this -r option, and basically this will show me the details when it was last modified, and I will make use of 1.txt, hit enter. So here it is saying 8:38:09. So what I will do now is I will try to update this particular timestamp. So how to update the timestamp? You can make use of touch command here. Well, I will be making a video about touch command in detail. So there are 2 use cases that you can make use of touch command. One is to create a empty file, and also you can make use of touch command to update the timestamps of a particular file. So here you can use touch 1.txt, hit enter, and now if I want to see what is the time that it was modified, okay, the latest modification time, here you can see it is now changed from 8:38:09 to the current time. See, that's how you can make use of date command to display the modification that was done to a particular file. Here in this case it is 1.txt. I hope this concept is clear for you. Now let me show you some of the format specifiers that you can use as a combination with the date command. The first one, let me show you, it is %D. What it will do is it will display the date and time as in this format: month, date, and YY. So this is how it will display the date. And let me show you what do I mean by that. %D, hit enter. Oh, so just ignore this thing. This is not how you do. So basically I have to use this with a syntax. So how you will write the format specifier is date space plus, and you will have to give %, and after then you will have to give the format specifier. So this is how you will be giving it. So what you will do here is you will just write D, and if I hit enter, now you see the way how I was telling you, it is appearing the same way. Got it? 2 is February, this is February, this is the current date, and 2022 year. Got it? Alright, so if I want to display the day of the month, how can I do it? It's very simple, guys. Just instead of using capital D, use small d. Hit enter, you will get the day. So you will get the day, it is 6 currently. Alright, so let's see how you can get the abbreviated name for weekdays. What do I mean by that? So instead of this small d, what I will do is I will just write small a, hit enter, and you will get Sunday. Cool. Alright, so now you see we are getting Sunday. What if I want to also get Sunday? It's pretty simple. Just if you are using small a, what you can do is you can just use capital A. Hit enter, you will get Sunday. So how we displayed the weekday as Sunday, we can also display the abbreviated month name. What do I mean by that? So here, if you write percentage small h, it will show you FEB or Feb. You see, we are getting Feb here. Now, if I want to see fully FEBRUARY, February, what I can do is I can write small b. Sorry, it's not small b, it is capital B. It's February. Got it? Now if you want to display the month of the year, what you will do is you will write small m. Now here's one thing, do not use a capital M, that means minute. Here you will have to use small m. Hit enter, and here you will get the month of the year, which is February. That is shown in 02 format. Alright, so now if you want to display the last 2 digits of the year, how can you do? Just write small y, hit enter, you will get the last 2 digits of the year. Well, if you want to get the YYYY format, you will just write capital Y, hit enter, you will get 4 digits. Now if you want to display the time in 24 hours format, what you can do, just use capital T, you will get it in 24 hours format. Now if you want to display the hour, the current hour, what you can do, use capital H, you will get 23. If you want to get the minute, you will have to use capital M. If you want to get seconds, you will have to use capital S, you will get the seconds. So that's how it works. 23, 21, 35. Seconds keeps changing frequently, so we can also verify here as well, right? Cool. Now let's make it a beautiful output. What do I mean by that? Let's say I want to make use of the string format. So what I will do is date -- date. Well, let me clear the screen. First of all, it's looking very ugly. Alright, if I want to custom format my date output, so what I can do here is I can write date, and after this I can make use of double quotes. I can also make use of single quotes here. So here what I will do is I will write today it is percentage, and we will specify the format specifiers. We'll give the month, we'll give the date, we'll also give the year. Okay, and if I hit enter, alright, so you can see here the output, it's not very appealing, it's not looking so good. We know it is correct, so what we can do here is we can write date, and we can use double quotes, and after this what we can do is we can write today it is let's use date first, okay, and let's write month, and let's display the year. Now what I want to do next is I want to jump the cursor to the next line. I can make use of this particular format specifier, which is called as mod n, %n. So after this what I can do is I can write something like currently the time is, let's say, hour, minute, second. Okay, If I hit enter, now you can see here, today it is 6th of February. Oh, I think I have to make some more changes here. I have to do hyphen, and after this I can also make this colon here. Okay, now we can see we are getting perfect output. Today it is 6th of February 2022. Currently the time is 23, 32 and 42. Well, alright. So I have covered many things in date command. It will be really hard for you to grasp this. What I would suggest is make some notes about this thing. And if you want to know more about date command, you can make use of man pages and you can learn about it. Okay, so you can use these kind of options and you can learn more. But most of the things which anyone should be knowing about date command, I have explained everything in this video. Now I have a question or a challenge for you. You see here we displayed this thing in the form of 24 hours format. Now what you have to do is find out how you can make this appear in 12 hours format. Okay, Google out and use many resources out there and let me know in the comment section whether you were able to figure it out or not, the solution. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope this video was helpful and you were able to learn new things, gain knowledge. And if you think this video was helpful, do hit that like button, and if you think this video can benefit your friends or anyone, share it with them and subscribe to this channel. If you are new, hit that bell icon so that you will never miss any update. So thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye, take care.